Now we can solve page number 123. Try this. We have to find angle X in each figure. Here you can see some figures. We have to find the values of X in each figure. First question. X. What will be X? X is equal to 40. Why? Because this is an isosceles triangle. Also we know that base angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. That is, these two are the base angles and these are the two equal sides. Also, this angle is opposite to this side and this angle is opposite to this side. So we can say X also will be 40 degree. In this case, here these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. So here 45. So this one will be 45 degree. This one will be 45 degree. Okay. So here X 45 plus 45 90. 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. We all know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So X is equal to 90 degree. These two will be equal, not these two angles, because this side and this side are equal. So this angle and this angle will be equal. Okay. Next, this question. Here they have given 100 degree, but these two are equal in measure. That is, these two are the equal angles because these two sides are equal, not this side and this side. Okay. So if this is 100 degree, what will be these two? This is X, this also will be X. That means these two are equal. Here 100 degree. So 100 degree plus X plus X. So 100 plus X plus X. What is the answer? 180 degree. So 100 plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 100. That is 80 degree. So x will be 40 degree. Why? Because 80 degree divided by 2, that is 40. Here we have to find x. We know this is 90 degree. So if it is 90 degree and this is x, we know this side is equal. So this angle will be equal. So x and x. 90 degree is there. Remaining will be 90 degree because 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. So this 90 we have to split into two equal for these two angles because these are equal in measure. These are the equal angles. So here 45 and this also will be 45. So 45 degree plus 45 degree 90. 90 plus this 90, that is 180. So now we got this angle and this angles are equal. Also we got this third question, that is here 50 degree, here x. It's very clearly this is 50 degree because these two angles are same. This is an isosceles triangle. Also this is also an isosceles triangle. If this is x, this also will be x. So here 40 degree, but we have to find x. Here one angle we got it, that is 40. So we have to subtract which one we know. We know 40 degree. So 140. These 140 we have to split to these two angles equal. Okay, we have to divide it by 2. So both this angle will be same. 140 divided by 2, that is 70 degree. This is 70, this also will be 70. Now add this, that is 70 degree plus 70 degree, 140, 140 plus 40, 180. Here they said it as, here it is 120 and this is an isosceles triangle, and they said it, this is x. So this angle will be x. We know that, x. We know that 120 plus x is equal to 180 because this is linear pair. So 120 plus x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 120, that is equal to 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. So here also 60 because these two are equal. Okay. So we got x. X is equal to 60 degree. Here same like that question, but this exterior angle was here for this question. Here that came into here. So this is 110 and we know this will be 70 because linear pair, sum of the linear pair is equal to 180. So 110 plus 70 is equal to 180. So now we got 70 degree. If this is x, this also will be x because this is an isosceles triangle. So now we can write x plus 70 is equal to 180. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 70. So 2x equal to 110. Okay. So x is equal to 110 divided by 2, that is equal to 55 degree. So each angle will be 55. Now 55 plus 55, 110, 110 plus 70, 180. Another way also here, that is we have studied an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. This x and this x are opposite to this 110. So when we are adding these two angles, we have to get 110. Okay, that is x plus x is equal to 110. Another way for finding this x. Okay, anyway we will get x is equal to 55 itself. X plus x is equal to 110. X will be half of 110, that is 55 degree. Okay children, now the 9th question, that is here no more close, here 30 degree and this is an isosceles triangle, this is x. So here this also will be x. Why? Because these two angles are same. Okay, so if this is 30 degree, this also will be 30 degree because vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, vertically opposite angles are equal. Here 30 degree and this x are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so if this is 30 degree, this also will be 30 degree. Why? Because this is an isosceles triangle and these are the angles opposite to the equal sides. Okay children, you got it.